Hello everyone, my name is Anton, and in this video I want to continue talking about the differences between Scrintal and Heptabase. Remember, there are different categories or areas that I'm focused on right now. One is the dashboard, the other one is sharing, versioning, exporting, and also the mobile experience. I've already published a few of the videos already, so you can take a look at those. And this one here is going to be focused on versioning. Now, when you're putting your information into these tools or any tools that you might be putting data in, versioning is very important because you might be working in this tool, and let's say if you're not on a laptop and you're on a PC and your power goes out and everything just dies, or if you have sharing capabilities and you're collaborating and someone comes in after you and they make changes on a document, or for some reason the application just freaks out, right? And you may want to revert back. Now, taking a look at the versioning capabilities within these tools, let's start off with Scrintal. And Scrintal, right off the bat, they do not have a versioning feature here or option or capability. So really there's nothing to show on the Scrintal side, but let's go ahead and take a look at Heptabase. Now on the Heptabase side, there is versioning. So I'm on a board right now, and if I come up to the three dots and I click on it, you have version history, where you can just click on this and it presents you the long list of version history here, which is nice. The one critique that I have with this is that if I was to click on any of these versions, it doesn't show me what it looks like. So I think having these versions is nice, but if I was to come in here and let's choose the one that I did here, and we will say restore version, and it will tell you that, say, please note that this restoring a whiteboard version will only restore the whiteboard's layout, sections, text, mind maps, and card positioning, and their colors. If you want to restore the card's contents, please restore it from the card's version history. So from a board standpoint, this is only going to put the things that was on the board back onto the board. If you want to restore something that's within a card, you have to actually restore the history from a card. So it is a little more complex, but a whiteboard and this type of visual board solution is pretty complex, but at least they give you the options to do it from the board level, and you can kind of go into the cards and do any restores that way if you want to get around this. It might be nice if they had, when they had the version, it would also snapshot what was in the cards as well. So that's pretty much just a one-stop shop. But right now, this is at least something where on the Scrintal side, you have no option for versioning and restoring previous versions of your cards or your board. So the one critique on this one here, it would be nice to have some visual context here. They do give you, like they tell you here, exactly how many different objects were on the board at that time. But again, it's still kind of hard when you say 29 cards. I'm not sure which cards, right? If I'm going back in time and trying to do a restore, I'm not sure exactly which 29 was there at that point in time. So it would be nice to have a visual. Okay, so that's going to be it for this particular video around the versioning capabilities of these two tools. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And until the next time, have a nice day.